guys, it's Alyssa from Online Fabric Store. Did you ever wonder how they make leather products that are braided but they don't look like they have any open ends or seams? I'll show you how. Here is a super easy way to make a mystery braid.
The materials you will need are vinyl, faux leather or leather, Drit's unique stitch if the material you are using is less than a 4-ounce weight, a fabric marker, a measuring tape or ruler, scissors or rotary cutter and mat, a rounded edge, loose change is perfect for bracelets and necklaces, and optionally heavy-duty snaps or eyelets or whatever closure you want at the end of the braid. Measure your wrist or however long you want your braid. Add 1 inch to that measurement so the material has a little wiggle room when you go to make the braid. This measurement will be the distance between your snaps. Also add a little space after where the snap or closure will be. I added 1 inch to both sides of my strap so I can make a nice rounded edge. My wrist measurement is 6 inches, so the piece that I'm going to cut will be 9 inches by 3/4 of an inch. I'm using a pretty lightweight faux leather, so I'll actually be cutting 2 identical pieces and gluing them together with the wrong sides facing using Drit's unique stitch. Let it dry for at least a half an hour. Mark 1 inch from each edge of the strap where your closures will go. Attach them where you marked. If you are closing it with a snap, see our How to Use Heavy Duty Snaps tutorial. To make my rounded edge, I just used a penny. I marked the curve on both sides and then cut away any excess material. A 1/4 inch away from the inside of each of the closures, mark 2 lines where you will cut to create 3 even strips of material. For me, these marks were at 1/3 and 2/3 of an inch, but yours may be different depending on the width of your strap. To do this braid, all you need to know is a basic 3-strand braid, but you should start by taking the end of the strap and flipping it up and through the 2nd and 3rd strips. Then start your braid. I am making my braid pass underneath itself to minimize gapping at the beginning and end, but yours can be overhand if that's easier for you, and ultimately will not look significantly different. Make 6 passes for the braid. Stop at the 6th and hold it in place with one hand. With the other hand, untangle the strips starting at the bottom of the braid until the strips are no longer twisted and lie flat. Repeat this process as many times as possible before reaching the end of the braid. I was able to complete 3 sets of 6. Make the braid uniform by pulling on the outer pieces of the braid and then flipping it to the other side and passing back over those same pieces but pulling them from the opposite direction. Repeat this process until you are happy with the way the braid looks.
And now your braid is done. Thanks for watching this OFS project. Like and subscribe to our channel for more crafting videos, tips, and tricks. See you next time.